In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link payment on Squarespace, ensuring your online store is ready to accept transactions smoothly and efficiently. This is an essential part of setting up an e-commerce site, as it enables you to receive payments effortlessly from your customers. So, let's dive into the process and make sure everything is clear and easy to understand. First, we're going to venture into the back end of your Squarespace site. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu. Now, you might be familiar with this area as it serves as the control center for your site's operations. You're going to look for the option labeled Payments. This is where all things related to receiving funds for your goods and services happen. When you click on Payments, you'll see the option to connect Squarespace payments. This is the heart of our task today. By clicking on this, you're essentially taking the first step towards linking your payment system. Squarespace makes this process fairly intuitive, guiding you through the necessary prompts. This feature is designed to integrate seamlessly with your account to ensure that all payments transfer smoothly into your business account. Pay close attention to these prompts, as they will guide you step by step through the setup process. After you've initiated this connection, the system will prompt you to set up your account. This involves verifying your business details and ensuring everything is in order. While setting this up, make sure your information is accurate, as it will affect how and where your payments are deposited. It's crucial to double-check the details at this point to avoid any hiccups down the road. Following this, you'll need to connect your bank account to receive your payouts. This step is significant because it's how funds from your sales will make their way into your hands. Make sure you have your banking information handy, including account and routing numbers. Input them carefully, as even a small error could lead to delays or issues with receiving your payments. And there you have it, the processes to link payment on Squarespace. This setup not only makes business transactions efficient, but also helps you track your sales and manage finances with greater ease. Remember, with Squarespace payments set up and your bank account linked, you're well on your way to running a smooth and successful online business. Make sure to keep an eye on the settings regularly to ensure everything is functioning as it should be. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy selling on your Squarespace store.